Namaste. Hello, friends. Lawrence and Mayo Parivar and Links Parivar. I have the privilege and honor to interview Mr KR Giridhar, a veteran in Lawrence and Mayo. I am Dr. Vivek Mendonsa, Group Director Marketing, looking overall the optical division and more particularly looking after the marketing and sales in say instruments division. I am in our Chennai office, our zonal office, and we've just interviewed Mr. J.R. Daniel, and it's glad to have Mr. Giridhar over here.
Thank you.
I've known
Thank you, sir.
Giridhar for
Yeah.
the last 25 years, and Giridhar,
Yes, sir.
why don't you share a little bit about your childhood, your educational background, and how you joined Lawrence Mayo and who interviewed you?
Yes, sir. Thank you for your opportunity to share my details. I'm KR Giridhar. I completed my diploma in electronics and communication engineering in 1994. After completed that, I have served in different companies with different positions. In 2001, I have put my application to Lawrence and Mayo. That time, Mr. J Mendonsa, he is the person who interviewed me
Okay.
in St. Mark's Road, Bangalore. And the interview was very nice with K.N. Dattatri and Rangaswamy. That time he was there. And he appointed as for Vacnic division
Right.
to manufacturing of the Pirani gauges with vacuum pump. Those days is a lot of demand was there with the Vacnic pumps and all. In 2001, I have appointed as a service technician.
Okay.
Service technician. Then within 1 month, he gave immediate letter and all to come and join. And 2001 January 1st, my appointment in Lawrence and Mayo. I started career from there, and more than 2,000 gauges manufactured and supplied throughout India. Then after that, I service started with all divisions, survey, CTM, and Vacnic division, vacuum valves and other things. And like that, my service starts from Lawrence and Mayo. In those days, what are the new equipments entered from Vacnic, or any other new equipment with electronics background? Those things also we took the challenge, meet the customers and generate the service inquiries from IAC Bangalore, HAL, NAL, all vacuum pumps, Stokes pumps and all we serviced on those days. And we developed our service career like that. Up to 2005, then I promoted as a service executive.
Okay.
That opportunity gave Mr. K.N. Dattatri. Those days I worked under Mr. N.H. Rangaswamy, is Karnataka sales manager.
Right.
With his guidance, we continued our service with more challenges. Then after that, in 2007, Lawrence Mayo chairman, Mr. R.H. Mendonsa, brought one new vertical called vocational training equipment. That time he brought new agency, Electronica Veneta, Italy, and they put one didactic exhibition at Taj Hotel, Bangalore, for 1 week exhibition.
Right.
And we participated with a big stall with all our displayed equipments and all. And very good response was there. And we are the authorized agent in those days for Electronica Veneta. And we started promotion of those equipments from April 2007 onwards.
Right.
I promoted as a sales and service engineer initially for that new vertical.
Right.
So my career starts as a sales from scratch, zero. That is a new vertical, new career entered. So Mr. Rangaswamy and Dattatri recommended me, you please take the charge of sales of this new vertical, as it is related to for educational, very international brand. And they promoted as a sales and service engineer.
So I recollect the Electronica Veneta because I think there was a government official from the Indian Trade Commission who came down, a Bengali gentleman, and he met initially me on LinkedIn, and then came and met our
Yeah.
chairman, and he said the Electronica Veneta was cheated 5 times in India by other organization, and he gave us the letter of intent that we should take up this agency. So you know the background
Yes,
of it. How long we were with Electronica Veneta?
2007 we have started, and up to 2009 onwards, up to 2 years, we did for worked for Electronica Veneta, and myself and Rangaswamy went for 15 days training to Italy.
Okay,
Electronica
excellent,
Veneta,
excellent.
and we took all the training very nice.
I know, unfortunately, Electronica Veneta was going through some restructuring, and after some time, they pulled out from the India market.
Yes.
And
Yes,
then
yes.
I know that situation because Mr. Rangaswamy also has been a colleague and a very dear friend in the organization. You were left with orders but no supplier.
Sure.
So that difficult time, how did Mr. Rangaswamy and Mr. KR Giridhar handle the situation and turn around the situation?
Yes, we approach the customers in different states, different colleges, and wherever we go, the customer requirement is different. And what we are suggesting to the customers is quite a little bit higher than their expecting level, both technical and as a price wise. So we cannot able to compete the market. So on that grounds, one time we visited in Hyderabad, the 2-3 customers, and we sit in office and cool down with coffee and all. Mr. Rangaswamy asked me, Giridhar, how to overcome this situation, how to collect the market, and how to establish. But this is not the way to promote the products, and we should find out the Indian manufacturers, Indian companies, those who are suitable to the customer requirements. Then after that, we stopped to promote the electronic community of products. Then we searched for local market,
Right.
and which is suitable to the customer requirement, and both technically and financially within the budget.
Right. Let me pay you a compliment and to Mr. Rangaswamy that I think you all got the equipment which was as per the syllabus and the pedagogy.
Exactly. Yes.
That was the thing. So it matched very beautifully that certain practical experiments had to be
Yeah,
done
yeah.
for the vocational equipment.
Vocational equipment.
And you got equipment which exactly matched as
Matched
per
the
the syllabus.
Syllabus.
Right.
We studied the entire curriculum of the each and every department, and we segregate the suitable equipments, and we make the technical specifications and cost and everything match, and started to promote that thing within Kerala. And we got very good response with Lawrence Mayo as a very good brand, and we have established the thing with civil and other range of equipments wherever we go, and many inquiries we have generated. In 2010, we got the first order from Kerala. That is
Right.
for entire mechanical thermal engineering around 15 lakh rupees. Then based on that reference, in other new colleges, we got around 3 departments. It is more than 1 crore order in 2012.
Right. Right.
So we strongly worked more than 2 years in Kerala market, and we enough colleges we established our labs.
Right. Right. Right.
So like that, we cover each and every state and local and other colleges. We got very good responses in different colleges, and so on. It is continuing.
Are there more private ITIs or there are more government ITIs, and how do they welcome? How do you deal with a government ITI and how, which is of course a tendering process, and a private ITI or educational ITI?
Yes, yes. In the vocational training equipment, we differentiate as a 2 separate equipments. One is vocational training related equipments, which is the equipment to develop the skills, practical skill oriented equipments. For example, if you take the automobile, electric vehicle, or mechanical, refrigeration, air conditioning, and mobile repairing, all those things. In another sector, this is to match the university curriculum. This is experimental oriented, research oriented equipments. So like that, we segregated the equipments, and we started to promote the that way. In private ITAs, not enough. They are purchasing the equipments as per the skill oriented. For example, in the ITA, if they having the technician of automobile or electric vehicle or refrigeration air conditioning, so based on that, we promoted those type of products, and we got very good orders from Goa
Right.
State. And in engineering colleges, if you come for electrical, automation, mechatronics, and mechanical oriented equipments, a lot of experimental oriented equipments we selected, and we supplied a lot for the mechanical oriented. So this way we differentiate and catch the market.
Right, right. You have got recent success where a completely new line and vertical of for the aeronautical engineering, where
Yes.
you have tasted success in Karnataka, and then we jointly worked on an order in Mumbai. You were heading the team. Ganesh Lad supported you, and myself,
Yes, sir.
which is the third success. So, why is Links Lawrence Mayo entering the aeronautical engineering space? What is the demand, and how did you get success of these 3 orders?
Yes, sir. So while surveying the market, the day-to-day technology is changing, vast changing in the curriculum wise, and new technology adopting as an international market. So in this aerospace and aeronautical boom started whenever the demand of pilot trainings and other aircraft structural engineerings and aviation industry coming very international level to Indian market. So
Right.
many colleges started this aeronautical and aerospace departments. So those time after the COVID period, in the COVID period, slightly these core subjects like mechanical and civil, the demand has gradually little bit lesser than computer science. So the computer science related fields are fast growing, and wherever the colleges we go, the admission is full for computer science and not up to the mark for mechanical and civil. So that time I recollect the thing how to catch this opportunity to add on products and to sustain our market without losing our business. 2022, I have started this aeronautical equipments business, and a lot of colleges asking Mr. Giridhar, do you have any related aeronautical aerospace equipments? You please give the details. You please give the details. Like that, customers are sending the mails and asking the phones. Then I survey the syllabus and curriculum details, and we have collected and we searched different suppliers across India, and we did the homework, lot of homework, and we developed the product, flight simulators. So for that, now we first learn the product and sit with the supplier and explain the customer requirement. Those things it should not match to the normal companies who are manufacturing and supplying, but ours should be a specific one to be suitable to the requirement, and it is a cost effective.
Right.
So on that way we worked out, and finally we designed the new product. It took nearly 2 years
Okay.
to design the product, but the supplier is Radamics Coimbatore gave full support to develop the product as per the customer requirement, even though he invested some money on that to develop the product. So finally we satisfy the customer, and finally we submitted our offer with open competition. Because of the technical strong and other parameters, the MSRRT college in Bangalore gave first order for flight simulator.
Fantastic. So in a career of 25 years where you joined from a service technician in the vacuum division of Vacnic, and now you've shaped yourself, you've meandered and maneuvered with good intent and reached the assistant general manager position.
Yes.
Tell us about one very difficult customer you had where you were totally in a flux situation, and what did you use, whether you use your technical knowledge or you use common sense or an emotional background to win over or change that environment?
Yes, sir. Here we first in 2010 we started this Indian related products, and we supplied to Federal Institute of Science and Technology, Kochi.
Okay.
So there we established a full lab as per the customer requirement, and from that reference, that customer, if any requirements comes in new labs to establish, he used to contact me only. Through Lawrence and Mayo, we can establish as a single company, we can get all the equipments with full support. So that time their plan to establish fluid mechanics lab and open channel circuit.
Right.
It is not a closed type, it is open channel. It is a big plant like that. All Francis turbine, Kaplan turbine and Pelton turbine in the open channel. So that time they called for discussion, and that is the new concept for that time, and we designed and we explained all the things, and they technically is okay, and finally they placed the order to us.
Right.
Then after that, at the time of installation, we all the equipments delivered, and at the time of installation to lab layout, we are designing on that. And that time, two equipments is not up to the mark.
Right.
Not up to the mark. So as the technical parameters, the HOD and other faculty come and they inspected all the things, and they simply, Mr. Giridhar, this equipment is, we are not able to satisfy what you supplied. You please take it back, and we will cancel the order. They paid 50% advance, and they told, we will cancel order. You please return, take back your items. Sir, you please give proper reason on what reason, which point you are rejecting the items. And they told, and this is should be like that, and this is should be like industrial type, and all the things they explained you the reasons, offered more than 10 points.
Right.
Then immediately I catch the supplier and sit with him more than 1 week. I
Right.
don't want to lose this order. At any way, you have to satisfy the customer with what he is expecting. You please fulfill and deliver the goods. We don't want to lose this order. Then
Right.
I fight like anything with the supplier, and immediately we take one person and reach to the college and collect back all the items and deliver to the supplier and redesign the equipment.
Okay.
As per the customer requirement, we completely redesign the equipments and everything is assembled in the customer place, and I called the customer for inspection.
Yes.
And once he come back to Bangalore and inspected all the items as per the requirements and is fully satisfied.
Excellent.
While inspecting,
Superb.
fully satisfied. I salute those after inspection. The expected level, what he expected is more than that. We finished the things in
Right.
all the ways, technically painting and accuracy and everything. Then delivered, and meantime the lab layout and everything is ready, and we assembled and we operational everything we done demonstration, and we finished and we completed the job and we collected the payment.
Excellent.
So that time I little bit lot of disturbed. So
Right.
finally we
You
succeeded.
got success. Right. Your last message and question to the Links Parivar, the youngsters who you're also building a team now. What is your message that about this organization? What are your views and feelings
Yeah.
to them? What is their career message to the new youngsters who are joining fresh from the campus to our company?
Yes, sir. So first, the Lawrence and Mayo atmosphere is a very friendly atmosphere, and this is the very good place to learn to prove anything. Good opportunity and independent. The management and my supporting team, everything, all are giving full support to do and achieve the things. So that atmosphere here it is there. That is why I can able to prove all the things, and good conditions and bad conditions, everything we have to treat equally. So if the situations are coming bad, we should not go back, and we should think and rethink how to sort out and how to overcome the things.
Right.
So on that way, we should give our full attention and involvement. Then we can prove like anything.
Great. Just a quick rider question. We have got the book Lawrence Mayo Way coming out.
Yes, sir.
You have been a part of Lawrence Mayo and the Lawrence Mayo Way and systems. What do you think are the three things you feel which are very pleasantly nice about Lawrence Mayo, which you talk about the Lawrence Mayo Way? What have you seen and observed? What
Yes.
is your definition of the Lawrence Mayo Way?
Lawrence and Mayo is a very established organization for instrument division from the British period. Over 140 and 150 years we are going to reach, and lot of track record is there. Track record is there, both opticals and instruments. While if you go for instrument division particularly, if you go and discuss with the customer about the requirement and about our strength of the Lawrence and Mayo, they are much interested and come to the conclusion, and this is the supplier, and if we trust, we can able to get the product like anything up to our satisfaction, and that much atmosphere we get, and feelings will get back from the customers.
Right. That past track record.
Cost track record
Right.
is there.
Anything else to add?
So with that, no, the atmosphere of the particularly the management, the top director, senior management, and who are the senior positions are there. If any critical conditions of anything is coming, they'll give full freedom, independence, and relax to give the lot of inputs, guidance, how to sort out the issues, and what is the full all support they are giving to overcome that situation.
Great.
So on that way, I am very much.
It's been such a pleasure and a pleasant interview with you, Mr. Giridhar.
Yeah.
And thank you. It's right from a service technician to reach Assistant General Manager of Lawrence Mayo in the 150th year is great. Thank you very
Thank you,
much for
sir.
your
Thank you.
contribution to the company.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.